الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الخلق أجمعين أبي القاسم محمد وعلى آل بيته الطيبين الطاهرين. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran in Surah Al-Hadid, وَأَنزَلْنَا الْحَدِيدَ فِيهِ بَأْسٌ شَدِيدٌ وَمَنَافِعُ لِلنَّاسِ, meaning, and we sent down iron, wherein is great power and benefits to the people. We will continue today with a little review from last time. We talked about how, according to the latest theories in physics and astronomy, iron could not have been formed in our solar system. And that goes in line with the reference in the Quran that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent down the iron to earth. We also said that according to studies, iron has the highest binding energy within its nucleus. Out of all the elements we know, which could be related to فيه بأس شديد, which means within it is great power. That is the second phrase. Next, we will be talking about topics related to the benefits of iron. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala describes iron as having مَنَافِعُ لِلنَّاسِ, benefits for the people. It is well known that people use iron in manufacturing, but let's see what other benefits iron has for us. First of all, have you ever asked why blood is red? The red color of blood is caused by the binding of oxygen that we breathe to iron in hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is responsible for transporting oxygen we breathe in to our organs, muscles, and tissues. And it brings back carbon dioxide from the body to the lungs to exhale. Now, without iron, your respiratory system would collapse. Without iron, your body would not get oxygen and you would not be able to perform any activities. Iron deficiency is called anemia, and it is a very serious health problem. Similarly, plants rely on iron to function, and iron deficiency in plants is called chlorosis. Chlorosis causes plants to turn yellow and eventually die. One more thing here. We said that the core of the earth is made of iron. Scientists believe that due to this core, the earth has a magnetic field and an atmosphere. So, there is another ayah in the Quran that talks about this shield that protects us. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَجَعَلْنَا السَّمَاءَ سَقْفًا مَحْفُوظًا, which means, and we made the sky a protected ceiling. This atmosphere, this ceiling, is protected by the electromagnetic field, which is supported by iron in the core of the earth. The iron core also keeps the atmosphere in place due to gravity. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala utilized all this system that serves us, serves life on this planet. This system is generated by iron, which is the only element in the Quran with a chapter named after it. That is مَنَافِعُ لِلنَّاسِ, benefits for the people. Let's take a break and we will be right back. Welcome back. So, there is one more observation in Surah Al-Hadid, the iron chapter, that I would like to add. One of the miracles of the Quran is related to numbers. Every element is defined by its atomic number, which is the number of protons in the nucleus. The atomic number of iron is 26. This number doesn't change. So when we write iron, it's Fe, right? So 26. Every iron is 26. Now, elements that contain equal numbers of protons but different numbers of neutrons in their nuclei are called isotopes. These isotopes can be stable or radioactive. For example, as we said, every single iron atom has 26 protons. This number 26 is specific for iron. But there are many iron isotopes. All of them are radioactive except 3, which are stable. The stable iron isotopes are 56, 57, and 58. At the time of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the Arabic alphabet system was in the, let's put these here first. Okay, 26 again, and 57. This is the second isotope, so this one is 56, 57, and then we have also Fe 58, which is iron, and then 26. So all of these are the stable isotopes of iron. As you said, so at the time of Prophet Muhammad, there was the system, the alphabet system was the abjad order, or the abjad alphabet. And there was a numeral system that associate each letter with a number. This system is used not only in Arabic, but it's also like used in Hebrew, Greek, and Spanish. For example, you can find the abjad numeral value of your name. So here, for example, abjad, this is my name here, so J 3, L 30, and then A 1, and then L 30, which is, if you add them up, it's 64 for my name, for example. And you can do that for your name as well. And so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says here, so so if we look here at hadid, al-hadid, which is that, so hadid, ha here, it's so it's 8, and then 4, and then 10, and then 4, which equals 26. So the name hadid, 26 for the word hadid, which matches the atomic number. If we add Al, L, so that's 1, and then Lam, which is 30, you add these together, and it gives you 57. Do you see this here? So Al-Hadid, 57, Hadid is 26, which matches this isotope in chemistry. So I find this amazing, really. Subhanallah. You can do this for other things as well. But what does this mean? I think these are references. Now, I started looking into numbers, and they consumed so much of my time. But I only want to mention this just to show you that there is something. There are these numeral miracles in the Quran, and I hope that you find this interesting as well. So 26. So Hadid, al-Hadid. Also, the number of the surah in the Quran is 57, which is also matches this. So, inshallah, next time we will be talking about the origin of life in the Quran, and we will keep mentioning some other numerals or numerical miracles as well. Thank you. Walhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.